Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is ready. Keep your Pixel charged and updated and connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Next, sign into the Google account you want to use for backups. Open Settings, tap System, then Backup, and enable backup to Google Drive. This turns on automatic backups for apps, call history, device settings, contacts, and text messages. Once done, you will see the last backup time. Make sure it runs before moving on to manual exports or alternative backups. Now you secure media and app data. Open Google Photos and enable backup and sync, choosing original or storage saving quality depending on your plan. Then return to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Backup, and tap Backup Now to force a full snapshot. Check backup details to confirm app data, SMS, and settings are queued. If you rely on Pay apps or two-factor codes, export or sync them separately. For example, add a secondary 2FA method or export authenticator keys. Once confirmed, proceed to local or alternate cloud copies. Finish by creating optional local copies. Connect your Pixel to a PC via USB and use a DB or Android file transfer to copy vital folders or perform a direct device backup. Verify integrity by checking timestamps and, where possible, previewing data in Google Photos and backup details. If a backup fails, first retry on stable Wi-Fi, free up Google Drive space, and reboot the phone. If problems persist, remove and re-add your Google account or check for system updates. This usually resolves authorization or sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.